All I did was vacuum his place. After I called radiology about this line and just started vomiting. I don't know if it's from the line to the liver or the stress of just moving a vacuum cleaner. But this line hurts. You can see it makes the skin raw. This is what it's done. It wasn't like that before. I should have left it alone. Trying to move the bag into the intestine by stents, so I didn't have to have a bag anymore. Another one said I'd have to work for the rest of my life. I'm losing the will to live because of all this crap and stress, and nothing's been resolved for me. Any shakedown now would be absolute fraud, because the men who started it, they're never going to pay. Never.